Hello students, welcome to the classes. In this session, we will continue with trigonometry. We have seen few relations between the six trigonometric ratios. In today's class also, we will see few more relations. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's consider a right angle triangle. Okay, let's consider right angle triangle. Now let's consider this angle as theta and let's call this as ABC. Let's consider the right angle triangle ABC, which is right angle at what? 90 degree. I mean at B. Okay, it is right angle at B. Now let's do one thing. Let's check how much this angle A is. Okay, now you know in a triangle, if you add all the angles, the sum of all interior angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180 degree. Right, now angle A, I'll keep it as it is. Angle B is how much? 90 degree. Now angle C is how much? Theta equals to 180 degree. Right, now angle A equals to 180 plus 90 that side minus 90 plus theta that side minus theta. Now angle A equals to how much? 180 minus 90. 90 minus theta. Right, now this is your angle A. Right, now angle A, here I will write 90 minus theta. Right, now see, now let's define the relations. Okay, now let's first write sine theta. What is sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. For theta, what is opposite side? AB is opposite. Right, for theta, AB is opposite. Hypotenuse is what? AC. Right, now sine theta is what? AB by AC. Now define cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is what? For theta, adjacent is BC. Hypotenuse is what? AC. Right, now I'll write BC by AC. Right, we have defined what? Cos theta. Right, now let's define tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. Right, for theta, what is opposite? AB is opposite. What is adjacent? BC adjacent. So AB by BC. I write AB by BC. Right, now I'll write other three trigonometric ratios also. Cosec theta. Either you can use the definition hypotenuse by opposite, or I can say cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. So just take reciprocal. So cosec theta I can write AC by AB. Take reciprocal and write AC by AB. Now what about sec theta? Sec theta is reciprocal of what? Cos theta. So take reciprocal AC by BC. AC by BC. Right, now I'll write cot theta. What is cot theta? Reciprocal of tan theta. So take reciprocal BC by AB. BC by AB. Now here I have written the definitions of all the six trigonometric ratios. Right, now let us see what is sine of 90 minus theta. This means that with respect to angle A, I am telling. What is sine definition? Opposite by hypotenuse. Right, here is my 90 minus theta angle. For this angle, what is opposite side? BC is opposite side. You can see 90 minus theta opposite angle is what? BC here. BC by hypotenuse is always fixed. In right angle triangle, hypotenuse is always fixed. It is always opposite to what? Opposite to 90 degree. Hypotenuse is always AC. Now for sine of 90 minus theta, opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So I can write this as what? BC by AC. Now let's write cos of 90 minus theta. What is cos definition? Adjacent by hypotenuse. For 90 minus theta, what is adjacent? AB is adjacent. It is attached to it. Right? AB is adjacent and AC is hypotenuse. So I write what? AB by AC. Right. Now I'll write tan of 90 minus theta. What is tan definition? Opposite by adjacent. For 90 minus theta, which is opposite? BC is opposite and adjacent is what? AB is adjacent. BC is opposite, AB is adjacent. So BC by AB. So I have written three definitions now. Now let's write three more definitions. What is cosec of 90 minus theta? Just a second. Yes. Cosec of 90 minus theta. Cosec of 90 minus theta. cosec, is it not reciprocal of sine? So here we have sine 90 minus theta. So if you want cosec 90 minus theta, take its reciprocal. So you get what? AC by BC. Right. Now let's write sec of 90 minus theta. Sec is reciprocal of what? Cos. So take reciprocal of cos here. I mean sec 90 minus theta is nothing but what? AC by AB. So I write AC by AB. Right. Now I'll write cot of 90 minus theta. What is cot? Reciprocal of tan. Take reciprocal of tan. BC by AB will become what? AB by BC. I'll write AB by BC. Now here you see what I will do. Look at BC by AC in this list now. Where is BC by AC? BC by AC is here. This means this is nothing but what? Cos theta. Right. So this BC by AC we can write it as cos theta. Now look, AB by AC. AB by AC is here. That is nothing but what? Sin theta. So this is sin theta. Look, BC by AB. BC by AB is here. That is nothing but what? Cot theta. I write this as cot theta. Now look for AC by BC. AC by BC is here. That is nothing but what? Sec theta. So I'll write this as sec theta. Now look for AC by AB. AC by AB is here. That is nothing but what? Cosec theta. I write this as cosec theta. Now AB by BC, you look. AB by BC is here. That is nothing but what? Tan theta. That is nothing but tan theta. Now here you see we have derived 6 more relations. Sine of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Right. Now cos of 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta. Cosec of 90 minus theta is nothing but sec theta. Sec of 90 minus theta is nothing but cosec theta. Cot of 90 minus theta is nothing but tan theta. Right. Now these are the very important 6 relations in trigonometry. Okay. Thank you.